Hello everybody, I'm Gina. Today I gotta make pasta with the vodka sauce. They're beautiful because it's good. So I prepare everything. This we need. First of all, I use my salsa. I use one jar of peeled tomato and one regular jar. And the salsa comes so good. Now, and this is the pasta. We need the burro, we need the heavy cream, we need the onion, garlic, hot pepper, and pecorino romano. This I grind like this. You see, I grind already. I make this for now. E plus the peas, use the peas, e salt, e basilica, little basilica. And this is the vodka, like I said. This we need, all of this. And now I go in the kitchen, the oven, and we start to cook, okay? Okay, I'm on the stove. Now, you just look at me, what I'm doing. You have many things here. First of all, I put the oven at medium fiammelle, like medium fiammelle. Then you put the burro. This is the burro. You put it here. Let it smelt a little bit. And then we put the onions. We gotta make something good, delicious. Something good and delicious. Something different. See, the burro is all smart, you see. Now we put onions. This is the onions. And let it fry a little bit. You know, let it fry a little bit. We put the garlic too. Now. And we gotta wait. They gotta cook a little bit. You gotta wait. All the time you have to turn, take care, they not burn. Take a little bit, they gotta turn. You have to turn. All right. That's now look. Now the onions and the garlic they already, and we put la vodka. All right. Let it cook a little bit. See? When they boil like a couple of minutes, they reduce a little bit, and then we put the salsa. So I think here they're right. They reduce a little bit, see? This they boil, they reduce a little bit, and now we put first the tomato. First I put the tomato, see? That's a peeled tomato. You see how nice and red? That's a peeled tomato. You gotta broke a little bit because they're still a nice. And now I put the jar. That's just the salsa. This is a salsa. And we put peeled tomato and salsa. The salsa comes so good. See? Let me wash this a little bit. Okay, wash the jar like this. And you put over here. Okay? And this is done. Now I gotta cook. I have to put, I want to put a little salt. But later we taste. Have hot pepper. I put a little bit. Somebody wants a lot, like somebody wants more hot, they make more. I make a little bit. This will go with the salsa. All right. Now, they got a bowl, now they got a bowl. We wait a little bit. We put a little of this. Just we wait a little bit, we put the rest. Let me see, I think it's boil here. Yeah, they boil. See, they started to boil. Now this, I have to cook about 20-30 minutes. I have to cook this. But I put a low fiammelle. And let it stay for 20-30 minutes. The salsa, they cook. And then we wait for this. We cover. And now they got a bowl. And this is the beans. This is the piece. Now we put it here, but we wanted to cook a little bit. I put the water. See, I put the water. I put the water, they have to cover the beans, they have to cover. See, put a little more. Okay? And now when they boil, let it boil about 4 or 5 minutes. And they're done. Put a little salt, you can put a little salt. The pat bolia, let me see. Wow, okay, the pat bolia. What do we do now? We gotta cook the pasta. I put the salt. We put the salt. And we put the pasta. We put the pasta. All right. And now they got a bowl. I put the pasta here. And we gotta wait till they cook. And then the other one they already. And now we're happy, that's it. Sono pellegrina, sono stanco di cammino, San Gelardo mio, prega per me. Alla Madonnina, io andavo ogni mattino, San Gelardo mio, prega per me. When we said Rosario, me and my friend, we enjoyed sing the San Gelardo, nostro protettore, bravo, santo. L'occhio al crocifisso, tu gli occhi avevi in viso, San Gelardo mio, prega per me. Nostro protettore, tu ci aiuta ad ogni lavoro, San Gelardo mio, prega per me. Fosti un grande santo, con la Verginetta accanto, San Gelardo mio, prega per me. Nostro gran frattore, tu ci aiuta ogni dolore, San Gelardo mio, prega per me. Viva San Gelardo! Every day we sing this song. For the Rosario, we sing this song. We was very happy. Now we gotta finish the sauce, okay? See, they still boil. Nice. Yeah. Now we gotta put the cream. It's a little this, you gotta be careful. Not pour, just warm it up. You gotta put the cream, see? Just warm it up, no, they're not supposed to boil you. Look how nice. Ah, the pasta is so good, this way, so good. Okay, it's all right. Now I gotta put the cheese. Now I gotta put the cheese. This, they make like, I put like this. Okay. This just have to go together, non have the ball. Now I put low. Just so they keep warm. Just they keep warm. This is it. Look how nice. And now what I gotta do, let me take care of this a little bit. Let me see the pasta. Let me see the pasta. All right, this is here. Now what I gotta do, I take some, in case somebody wants a little salsa extra, I put a little bit here. That's it. This we put over here. Now, when the pasta is cooked, we put it here. Okay? This is stay here. They're too hot. You have it wet. Oof. Not a little bit. They're too hard. All right, I think now it's okay. Let me shut it off. That's the pan, see? Hey, all right. Let me see, we have something more here. That's it. And this is it. Yeah. Now I got to put a little basilic. Let me take some of this. You can put a mix here. Hey, hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay? This is done. Now we gotta eat. All right? Okay, look at the dish. It's so beautiful. Look how nice. They come big dish, and they look nice, and they taste good because I know this pasta. And now I gotta make my dish. And I fix my dish. What I do, I like a little piece. Some people they like they use. Some people they don't like and you don't have to use. But I love this. I love this, see? I love this. And then I want to put a little bit, another little bit salsa. You can put here, like this. A little more cheese. That's a Pecorino Romano. They're very good, see? And this is my dish. They don't look nice? So good, I know they're so good at this. So, I want to taste. Okay, wait. After my work, now I eat the pasta, okay? E buon appetito, buon appetito. What can I say? They're so good. The heavy cream, they're good. And the salsa, they come so good. The salsa come good. All together, they're good. The way I make it, they're good, they're delicious. So, I hope you make like this. And you enjoy, it's very good. You make a nice trail, you put on the table, that's delicious. Everybody enjoy, okay? I want to say God bless everybody, God bless America. Hey, now it's summertime, look at the sunshine, everything light in the house. They look beautiful, okay? And bye-bye, I love you, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.